Don't make a fuss. There is a smell of an orange. Is it? Yes, sir. That's orange. Okay, so let's keep on the class. Commencing in the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, the omnipotent, the omniscient, and the omnipresent, who created me, you, and the whole universe. Before starting the class, I would like to read some Kalma Sharif in your heart. That would be perfect for our class. Arjan?
Yes, sir.
Arjan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you all?
Yes, sir.
You can?
Yes, sir.
You can?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely fine.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely fine.
Yes, sir.
Correct and sound.
Yes, sir.
That is fascinating that you are fine. Tell me about the weather. How is the weather today? Anyone? The weather is delectable or sunny, super. Yes, Mr. Umar Farooq, tell me about the weather. How is the weather today? So the weather is so-so. The weather is so-so. Okay, do you like this weather? Do you like this weather? Yes, I like this weather. Okay, why do you like this weather? Okay, this weather is perfect. Why this is the perfect weather? Don't even talk. Okay, what do you want to know especially in this weather? Yes. Workout. You like? Do you like gym? Do you want to go to gym? Oh, that is really fascinating. Thank you so much. It was very nice. Good job. Yes, Mr. Afsar Khan, what's up? How are you? I'm good. Thanks for asking. I really appreciate you. Tell me about the weather. How is the weather today?
The weather is pretty good.
The weather is pretty good. It means that you like this weather.
Yes.
Why do you like this weather?
It was no hot, no warm.
It is neither hot nor warm.
No
Okay,
cold, no
it is neither hot nor cold. Okay, what do you want to know especially in this weather?
Sir, I think the rest is wrong.
Rest at home.
Yes.
What don't you want to play cricket in this weather?
Sir, because I am older, I am not so young.
Why not? Indeed, you are young.
Sir, but the time is going by very.
Okay, the time has passed away. Time still is there. Okay, just tell me, what is your special activity? What do you do in free time?
Some play music, to work out.
What?
Some music, I play music and work out.
Okay, you just listen to music and you just enjoy your whole life. Thank you so much for watching. That's a good job. Yes, Mr. Bilal. Okay, Muzammil, tell me what the dad's birthday is today. Today is October 2025. What day is today?
Tuesday.
Okay, listen, tell me, what did I teach you last time? Do you remember? Okay, before test. Before test. Okay. Indeed, I was absent. So who took the class on Friday? What did he teach you?
He is starting to debate and I must say to please give me some flavor.
Oh, that's fascinating. Did he teach you this vocabulary? This vocabulary. Okay, stress. Do you have any kind of goodies or bad news? Anyone? Oh, let us start with When you were passed away, what was the reason? Was she or he? He. Okay, what was the reason? Well, he got cancer. That's too bad. Pimple डाले थे हाँ pimple. Next oh somebody stole my cousin's motorcycle. Somebody stole my cousin's motorcycle. That's really bad news. Next one.
Good news, sir.
Oh, take a start.
My brother bought 17 Pro Max.
17 Pro Max. Congratulations. Where is it? Did you bring it? Okay, next
Just
one.
change the cover.
Yes, fresh news. Yes, you. Fresh news. Tomorrow you're not going to come to the training academy. What's the reason? Let's see. I'll go to your doctor with my mom. Next one. Oh, take a start.
Today I will to college and some friends collect me from discussing the tour. I think seven friends is ready to tour. Inshallah, the coming Sunday I will go to tour.
Okay, good. Good job. Thank you so much. It was really nice. I really appreciate you. Officers, open your notebook. Open your notebook. Open your notebook. Listen, sir, today. You must have your notebook here. Okay, you have to change it. Everybody has to write a topic. I don't want to see a person who doesn't who doesn't write it. Understand now? Everybody has to write a topic. Okay? Yes. Good job. Mansoor? Did you close the door? Close the door. Modern auxiliary word. According to grammar,
It is a model like the
good means good means be able to do in the past. Can you stop talking? It's alright.
in the past.
Be able to in the past. We use word based form. We use word based form after what? Could is used to show. Could is used to show past ability, past ability. Don't talk. Why don't try the topic? Topic what is it? What was it?
Able.
They are part of each other. Let's go. God is used to show past ability. Understand? For example, what is structure here? Structure. Okay, your parts are available, huh? Your parts available.
Yes.
We use code with all subjects. We use code with all. For example, okay, let's come toward the structure. All subject, all subject plus code plus word based form plus object. Sorry.
Asun Tagalog lang ano yun. Oo, tagal mama siya.
Object here always for the sentence. Okay, for example, I could swim. I could swim. I could swim. She she could dance. She could dance. Understand? It is used to show. It is used to show present possibility. No, that could say like that. It is used to show present possibility. For example, huh? Just hold your horses. Present possibility. For instance, possibilities का होया इम्कानात का होया. Possibility means इम्कानात. For instance, for example, it could rain. It could rain today. It could rain today. He could come to the class. He could come to the class. He reached our class right here. Okay, next sir. It is used to show. It is also used for request. It is also used for request. For example, for example, hey, what's going on? From the beginning, I'm telling you, stop talking, and despite of it, you are talking. The starting is the idea of the Mariman, they are not children. For example, it's also used for a cluster. Could I use your pen? Could I use your pen? Could I use your pen to stop it? No.
Yes. Why not, sir?
That's the situation. Could I come, sir? Could I come in?
Could I come in?
Yes.
Then,
I could help you. Yeah, could I help you? Could I help you? Yes, that is N forward. Could means कर सकता था. Yes, कर सकता था. Stop talking.
Kapag sans nila, I want sans kapag sans. अब माने माला पता
Okay. Ivan, you should go out here. Come here. Just some more topic. This is topic. Stop writing. Stop writing. I said stop writing. Stop writing. Okay, good. It is the past form of kin. Just keep it in your mind that the kin aware. The kin past form should include. Could it is the past form of kin. Okay, according to grammar, could it is a model auxiliary word. According to grammar, it is a model auxiliary word. Could means be able to in the past. Could means be able to in the past. For example, I was able to play this thing, but today or tomorrow I cannot play it. Understand? For instance, I could swim. I could swim yesterday. I could swim in the past. So nowadays I cannot swim. Okay? For instance, I could swim in the pool. Nowadays I can't. Understand? So what shows it shows a past ability. But if we use the word base form after could. Keep it in your mind that we use the word base form after could. We are having a lot of model auxiliary, all the model auxiliary after model auxiliary word we use the word base form. We use the word base form after could. We use the word base form after could. Understand? We could is used to show past ability. This is the real definition of could. Could is used to show past ability. Past ability means past ability means first position कोई बना
बने ना सच्ची
मतलब तुम्हारे could be used to show past ability मतलब तरीका
इसे का
past ability मतलब तरीका past के मतलब का कोई शुरू कुछ नहीं समझ past ability मतलब है जो माँ को क्रिकेट को ले लो I could play cricket माँ को क्रिकेट को ले लो नंतर समझ क्रिकेट नहीं समझ हो गया तब हम माँ शुरू की क्रिकेट को लो करना तो सीजन नंतर समझ समझ हो गया so I could play cricket मैं कर सकता था मैं क्रिकेट खेल सकता था माँ को क्रिकेट को ले लो nowadays I can't play नंतर समझ समझ हो गया so it shows the past ability ना तो शो क्या past ability understand okay we use code with all subjects with such a singular approach कल हम subject singular vocabulary को all subjects इस्तेमाल होगा understand so we use the code with all subjects को बस इस्तेमाल all subjects structure तरह से all subject plus code plus word based on listen to sir कहते हैं कि हमारा subject singular वाली नहीं कि word सर SES IS बनने लगा जब मैंने लगा जिन की मात्रा model auxiliary word डालने और जिसका मात्रा model auxiliary word brush किया कंप्यूटर subject singular भी word सर SES IS understand just keep it in your mind for instance he can play soccer he can play soccer so here I think what sir SES वाला जो हुआ वो इतना अच्छा जिसका मतलब क्या ना है ओके मतलब she जो model auxiliary word understand okay I could swim she could dance आगे dance कोई शो से नहीं बोले I could swim माँ बाप से कोई नहीं लंबा होगा कोई ना I could swim in the river I could swim in the pool I could swim in the whatever it is I could swim in the river I could swim in the canal understand next sentence it is used to show present possibility it is used to show present possibility मतलब है कि मौजूदा किसी इम्कानात की है for instance there is cloud outside the weather is cloudy outside and there is a wind there breeze outside breeze जो हवा लगे opposition भी cloudy the weather is cloudy the weather become cloudy cloudy so you can say data तदाकत की व्याख्या it could rain today then बारिश की देशी ऊर्जा और तरह possibility लेकिन कुछ मतलब it is used to show present possibility present मौजूदा के इम्कानात शो करेगा it is used to show present possibility for instance you can say it could rain today then बारिश की देशी for instance you could be sick बीमार हो गया विदेशी बीमार है understand it could rain he could come to the class इम्कानात से दिखना है आपको विदेशी क्लास रहा for instance your brother दो brother की क्लास your brother रहा है जो का तुम्हारे विदेश Ali चल के लेकिन Ali he could come to the class विदेशी क्लास रहा है जरूर रहा इम्कानात से चला सकता है okay this is it is also used for request the request about this word for example could I use your pen something इस्तेमाल में शुमा could I take your notebook जिसका notebook आवाज़ शुमा could I borrow means कर्ज लेना या लेना could I borrow your pen जिसका पेन आवाज़ शुमा ये बेटा परा borrow तो इन कर्ज ना होया could I borrow your pen जिसका पेन कर्ज आवाज़ शुमा understand could I borrow some money from you जिसका पैसे आवाज़ शुमा करता हूँ understand so could we is used for request this is about this मालूम हो request could I use your pen जिसका पेन इस्तेमाल में शुमा your time your topic has been finished okay open your book शाबाश book lovely open your book sir क्या do you understand हमें कुछ यार you have any problem any problem good job open your book शाबाश book lovely open your book come on hurry up time is running out we don't have enough time then come on hurry up open it and tell me page number page number 100 I think so 107
4.
question number
104.
and question number 10
बोरो कर सके
जो communication
हाँ सर बोरो कर सके
interaction number 10 Muhammad Zaid interaction given reason so का reason से तो है वजह बयान का giving reason वजह बयान का the first question will ask question did you play cricket yesterday तब हम क्रिकेट में शाबाश कौन है Did you play cricket yesterday? No, I couldn't. No, cricket, no, Korea, no, Korea, no, East Korea. Because I was sick, sick होना हो गया. Because I was sick, मैं बीमार था, इसलिए मैं नहीं कर सकता. अब देख, कल क्रिकेट खेला था. No, I couldn't. नहीं, मैं नहीं कर सकता था. क्यों नहीं कर सकता था? क्योंकि मैं बीमार था. क्योंकि मैं बीमार था. I couldn't play cricket. I couldn't play cricket because I was sick. Did you go to school yesterday? No, I couldn't because I was sick. I was under the weather. Come on, Harriet, you have to do practice right now. Do practice, do it in a pair on the river and do practice for it. Come on, Harriet, right now. Yes, you three, that's your practice with ours. Come on, Harriet, you two. You too. I said do practice. I didn't say you. Yes. Yes, whatever it is. Yes, you three. Sahil, you have to do practice with him. Come on, hurry up.
Did you go to academy?
No, I couldn't because I went to Sadara. Did you go to did you sleep yesterday?
We have to sleep early.
Yes, I did. I sleep from 2 a.m.
Why? Why you didn't sleep? Why?
I watched the mobile.
Huh?
I watched the mobile.
Bye. It's so weird.
Okay, now let's read back here. Yes, Mohammed Umar. Umar, you will ask question and Osman Khan will give response. Did you watch? Did you work last night? No, I didn't because
I couldn't.
No, I couldn't. No, I couldn't because there was a second. Yes, Mohammed said you will ask question and Abdul Rahman will give response. I forgot because I really. I was under the weather. Very because I was under the weather. Yes, Maya, you ask question and she will give response. Stop again. Yes? Once again, you are. The question of the showers?
Call, catch, call, bring, feel, forget, hot, sleep, pass. That's cat. How you are doing? How you are doing, youngster?
No, I couldn't because I went to school. That's good. Thank you so much. And what a nice. Good job. Presentation number 11. Presentation number 11. Mustafa, interaction.
Good.
No, he just got muffin.
So, simple.
Why you don't talk about past form of there with a word? I think your word that's the very past form will be ना उससे word that's what the test चारा कर लिया. The paid बना your past form the paid past form
Paid.
PAID paid ज्यादा स्वतः मतलब the full word पास वाला paid the paid Allah teacher teacher don't pay THOUGHT don't teach लिखे हुआ जिस प्रकार teach लिखे हुआ but the word होती है think thought करना हाँ no not similar spelling difference here teach start TAUGHT start yes think of thought 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 okay what's the past form of cage cage past form Syria
God.
huh
God.
cage past
God.
God how to spell it
CAUGH.
Shabash लिखे shabash करो हरिया caught the cage past form Syria what is the past form of catch or caught yesterday the police caught a lot of robbers yesterday the police caught a lot of robbers
COUGHT.
Cost
CAUGHT.
cost cos होती है
But
no cos जीवन represent the cos तो एक जीवन तो है
so जिस spelling with the
cos same हुई cos
spelling with
no same pronunciation
pronunciation.
no same cos है okay what is the past form of drink drunk and drank D-R-A-N-K drink your D-U-R-U-N-K drunk drunk आनंद हो जाना drunk prices yoga से क्या अल्लाह ने किया I'm drunk yoga से I'm drunk मतलब है मतलब शराब के लिए हाँ yoga से क्या I'm drunk today मतलब शराब के लिए you they drunk थे D-R-U-N-K drunk लेकिन the first one drink से पास one drink D-R-A-N-K drink I said last night I drank a lot of beverages last night I drank a lot of beverages because में did that शराब के लिए beverages का हुआ मशरूबात okay next is forgetter
Now reader.
Yesterday I felt
Very better.
I felt sick understand hurt what is
Forgot.
hurt was okay forgetter
Forgot.
I forgot my money at home. I forgot my wallet at home.
My cousin forgot bike in ground.
Next word, that is a third step. Okay, sleep was found. Slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept. Understand? Slept. Okay, okay, Maria, you are Dr. Younger, and Anwar, you are Jean. Maria, take a starter, and you have to listen to it. That's the original. You are Dr. Young. I said you are Dr. Young. Hey,
I am really busy with a lot of phone calls this morning. Oh, phone calls. Let's see, Mr. Ellis. Mrs. Ellis. Her school heart is late, so she brings it in the afternoon and
Bruce, seconds,
tickets for
God,
phone number. He will come in tomorrow if he does not feel better. Mr.
Mr. Albert,
Mr. Albert told me he feels terrible last night and it's badly. He said he looked on his face, but I think he forgot. He will call back and just listen.
Brenda Johnson,
prescription because it was too much. She wants you to call her. I think if you already have been.
oh my goodness, you really have been busier. Someone is just mental for it.
Hurt someone. Hello.
My room is hard.
Ji. Hurt someone.
My goodness.
Hurt. Hurt.
H-U-R-T means zahmi karna. Yes. Let's move on. Skill meaning number 12. Skill meaning number 12. Muzammil, read the action.
Filling the blank is the past tense of buy, eat, or drink, eat, or get, hot, see, or sleep.
Sleep. Okay, listen to what is the past form of buy?
Bought.
God. What is the past form of age?
God.
What is the past form of cost?
God.
What is the past form of drink?
Drink.
What is the past form of eat? Yes, right. What is the past form of
God.
table?
God.
God. What is the past form of
Hurt. Hurt.
what is the past form of sleep?
Sleep.
What is the past form of sleep?
Sleep.
Listen, so we have to use its past form in the below blanks. Like if this blanks are really down to the past form is malo. Look at the first one. How was your day? How was your day? Aapka din kaisa tha? Okay, it is also here pretty good, but busier. I dash. saw a lot of patients with Armstrong dash. Armstrong dash. Siapa kira sih? Dash his arm. Welcome, Maki said it's so dash his arm. Answer tahu ya?
Hold.
Bravo, good job, bravo. Last match you got.
Bro pakai kan dia tadi. Dia bro pakai kan dia. Beras begini bro begini.
King and Marty Field's daughter dash.
Bar.
Dash a whole bottle of scotch. Medicine. A whole bottle of scotch medicine. Drank. The rest is your homework.
That's your homework.
None of the homework. Rating number 13. Rating number 13. Abdullah read direction. Hurry up.
Subject pronoun.
Object pronouns. Okay, what is object pronouns? So, brother, here. Anyone? Close it. Joe. Anyone?
Subject position से object pronoun को है बना.
Objective pronouns.
I me. That's
Object pronouns देखना. Lessons with the object pronoun it receives a.
If there is an action with the subject.
Object pronoun आपका object definition को object definition. How we define object? How we define object? It receives an action. The receiver of an action is called an object. So object pronoun it receives action from this subject. Object pronoun के नाम से subject से क्या action receive किया. For instance, okay, the they object pronunciation them. Good job. How to make a sentence procedure? You know, I called them. I called them. तो देखिए तुम्हारा them से
Objective.
I called them. तो देखिए तुम्हारा कब pronoun दिया? Object pronoun दिया. कब pronoun दिया? Object pronoun दिया. अब तुम्हारा action receive किया. Action receive किया. The subject ना. It receives an action. Just keep it in your mind. Object pronoun it receives an action. खाली आप दिमाग में क्या हो गया? Object pronoun से it receives an action. अब what is the object pronoun of I?
Me.
That's the one. Bring it to the office. Forget each and everything. Did I teach you object pronoun?
No.
What is subject pronoun? What is the object pronoun? What is reflexive pronoun? What is
जुमला बस वक्त हो गया नहीं.
okay? Just tell the first one. What is the object pronoun of I? The subject pronoun. The object pronoun is here. Me. Good job. Okay. What is the past form of you? You. I called you. Like the usually object pronoun here. What is the object pronoun of they?
Them.
Them. Good job. What is the past form? Okay. What is the object pronoun of he?
Him.
Him. What What is the object pronoun of she?
Her.
Her. Okay, her check exams are possessive pronoun की देखी possessive pronoun दे और object pronoun दे पा her check मसला object pronoun दे और possessive pronoun दे next is I you we okay what is the pronoun
We us.
us good job next is I you we they he she it will be same okay let's go. We have to use object pronouns in the below blanks. So look at the first one. Let me ask from Umar Farooq. I saw Ann at the party, but I didn't talk to
Her.
but I didn't talk to her. Good job. Outstanding. Next is there. I am nervous. Say one. H-E-R, her. You write it. Huh? Next answer. I'm nervous about going to the doctor. Can you come with me? Good job. Nice. That's simple. The third one. The young who were at the party. Did you talk to them? Did you talk them? That's a cover here. The rest that is your homework. Okay, we are going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with us? With us. Good job. The for the fifth one, the car didn't start. What is wrong with it? Mike is going to the library. Are you going with him? With him. I'm glad you came. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. Good job. You. Presentation number 15. Presentation number. Medicine can make you.
Can make me better.
Medicine can make you better. Exercise. Exercise can. Exercise can keep you healthy. Listen to the relation. Medicine can make you better. Medicine whenever you want to use med, it will bring changes in you. तब पता कैसे नहीं changes बराबर तो जिद्दिया बराबर या. For example, medicine can make you better. तब medicine सुपरशिया सुपरशिया. सही में सुपरशिया. Now you are feeling sick or बीमारिया. Medicine can make you better. Medicine तब सुपरशिया. It is make here it's gonna bring changes. तब पता कैसे ना बोलिया changes ना बोलिया. The medicine तब अगर जिस इस्तेमाल चिकन से changes ला दिया और keep up आज के इस्तेमाल चिकन से changes ला दिया. For example, exercise can keep you healthier. Exercise can keep you healthier. मतलब है चीज़ सेहतमंद क्या करना. Exercise हमारा अगर से हमेशा तो पास से दिया सेहतमंद बना दिया. Exercise can keep you healthier. Understand? Yes, it will bring no changes. Keep it will bring no changes. No changes now and it will bring changes. That's what I come on, alright, hurry up, school paper. So hurry up. Man can bring changes and he cannot bring changes. On your book bani हुई है What thing more? One thing more. Tomorrow we will finish.
Did you heard about that? You heard about that in India.
Reception, page number 112. I think so. I still remember this was your main idea. The silent is the substitution of main idea. Page number 100 and 112. 112. Sanitary number 20. Sanitary number 20. Tomorrow, at the beginning of this class, I will listen the main idea of this unit. Understand of this silent reading. हमारे पास starting को बता सकते हैं the main idea और the silent reading को main idea और no more excuses बानी बनना बना और पकाले हर एक का बेचोड़ होगा everybody has to prepare the main idea of this unit. If someone cannot prepare the main idea they होगा जोड़ लिया you are having mobile that's a mobile studio you can take a picture from it in our picture one and you have to send it to the chat GPT. Chat GPT the send here it will directly send you the main idea of this studio. अब तक तो direct the main idea that is sent here. Understand it is better for you have to prepare the main idea of this studio as I told you if you want to make your fluency if you want to make your speaking better and better you have to just focus on main idea and fresh use.
You're number 10 main idea.
Okay, just hold on. अगर एक चीज़ आप समझ लो and one thing more, review, just read it for yourself, the review of the player, and if you are having any kind of question, feel free to ask. My question question. I'm here, you can, I would love to help you. The challenge is help from mother. So this is why you have to study about it, the review will study there, and if you are facing any kind of dilemma, if you are facing any kind of puzzling, try to ask. Okay, feel free to ask. Just ask this kind of question. Understand? So just focus on your fluency and just focus on your grammar. So grammar when you focus on grammar is best for you if you want to give CSS, PMS, a lot of tests in the part did test for the mark in the last year. That's just now for test our say for CSS or PMS test to give you other test in the अगर से आसमान नजर आओगे और test में चिकन believe it was very tough but some of students they did very better. She got 90 अगर 90 it was she topped it. अगर that is top कर दिया you got 90 and you got 84 or 82 you got 84 or 82 the 84 hours here and the rest number students are they are better the number for the mashallah was did not focus I focus number here the students are 40 50 60 above that's is नहीं चिकन टेस्ट में चिकन understand any problems मुश्किल से यार and I'll give you just बता सकते हैं तो अगर the competition is very tough competition is that tough and usually the 3% will be a position holder they can have a position holder and those ones who made excellent technically allow marks understand just hold your horses and this time there will be an interview that's why सवाल जवाब दीजिएगा या किसी से तक मकबल तक पूछूंगा कि दिस इज द टॉपिक दैट को आगे वाली प्रेजेंटेशन वाइज तक मार्क्स 50 मार्क्स is about presentation तब वो टीचर ये 7 साल के मार्क्स के आप प्रवास होते understand ग्रामर की कद्दा जमा होकर ग्रामर की मतलब उसको कितना समय ये प्रेजेंटेशन तक को आवाज तक सवाल दिया क्वेश्चन प्रेजेंटेशन तक टॉपिक पर तक को कई बार सवाल खबर हो गया you have to talk only about 3 minutes खबर हो गया मतलब already I do a lot of topics मतलब पहले topics में अपने कर गया तो दस टॉपिक तक के टॉपिक में जब आपको 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यू हुआ मतलब इंटरव्यू में 10 से 10 क्वेश्चन तब उसको आंसर क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर दस वो हमारे क्वेश्चन 10 क्वेश्चन को मतलब हमारे से आंसर है ये क्वेश्चन का पूरा
Ji, sing the sawal na. That's one of which color do you like to be? Test na why nagra. Ji, test na. Why nagra? I want
First from the result, first from the करना. Understand? the higher words will pass from is the kawaya one की more grammar चीज को जान सबसे अधिकतर खाली लफ्ज सोच कवया जिस स्टूडेंट को चूक करना था सब फ्यूचर टेंस से थोड़ा सा का थोड़ा दोबारा होगा फ्यूचर टेंस के साथ से प्रॉब्लम दिया फ्यूचर टेंस के ऊपर सिस्टम आना सब्जेक्ट नंबर सिस्टम आना वेल इस्तेमाल अंडरस्टैंड चाहते कि मतलब जो फ्यूचर टेंस होता है तो मोबाइल वेल से सेंटेंस से जुड़े हुए चाहता हूं
जुआ
वेल से सेंटेंस
हाँ जोड़ दो
क्वेश्चन को जोड़ो बोलो अंडरस्टैंड
Sajida, going to Sajida Blue.
Kapata so listen अर्थ के अनुसार सर आप लोग going to न रख लो अर्थ के अनुसार well ला लो जब going to और
Tampala going to going.
हर बदले
Sajida will.
नो will कौन सा है so listen I hope you can learn something else with the video.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Let's mistake. Reconnect. See you next time.